Hello everyone, welcome back to Jillies Nails. Today I am doing something very different and very fun. I created a nail look based on my favorite artist, and with his permission I'm including pictures of two pieces of art I actually bought from him. I cannot say his name, but I love his artwork. The streets always look wet, they're almost always nighttime scenes, they're impressionistic. I freaking love this guy. I can't stop staring at his stuff. He is my favorite artist by far. And I actually did buy both of those paintings myself. That's my first grown up art, even though I've been a grown up for a long time. They are the first actual art pieces that are not prints that I've ever purchased. Love them. So as you can see, I've grabbed a variety of colors, and it was kind of hard to look at his paintings and go, okay, which color scheme am I going to get on my nails? So since most of his paintings are nighttime paintings, and most of them are wet paintings, like there's rain reflecting the lights on the streets, his art is just so colorful and so beautiful. So I literally can just stare at it for hours and try to figure out exactly how he mixed the colors and what he did. That plate, by the way, was from Beauty Big Bang. I don't have a lot of their stuff, but they do have nice stamping plates, and I am kind of on a PR list for them, so I may get a few more. So if there's anything you want to see from them, let me know because I am due to have them send me some more PR. What I wanted to recreate was kind of the wet street look with the water. And I honestly wasn't sure what color blue to use for this. I was afraid if I used a darker one over the black, it wouldn't show up because I am going to layer and kind of layer, much like he does in his paintings, to try to get that general effect from him. And truth be told, he does have a painting that is a wet scene, like all watery, where there are two people standing under an umbrella. I just picked the one with people walking the dog instead of the umbrella. So I'm kind of recreating the umbrella one. And I'm sorry I went off screen for some of this, and I'm really frustrated and annoyed with it because I love this Manny, and I thought the idea was pretty cool. I have some more art that was in my office that I might actually continue to recreate if you guys like this one. So if you do, leave me a comment and let me know if you like this concept and kind of fun. Maybe you can give me some art to challenge me and see if maybe we'll turn it into a little series. I don't know. So as you see, I'm going through and layering the white next. And let me tell you exactly how I did this. I did one coat of the Maniology straight up black because it's a stamping polish, so it's a one coater. I did two coats of clear top coat. A lot of times if you do stamp over a darker color with a lighter color, not only does it fade it through the back, but it can absorb into it. So I put down two layers of clear top coat to try to stop that from happening. Then I went in with coconut because I know it will perform over black. I've had it do it in the past. I have several videos from Halloween where I've stamped coconut over the top, so I know it works. And I wanted to just stamp the kind of neon oranges. I wanted to go for kind of the sunset colors, evening colors on water. And so I'm just going through each of my nails with all the different colors and kind of layering things up. I did go in here in a minute with the color Starfish, and oh, here we go. And I had high hopes that because this was a holographic, it would show up. It did not. I did not like this. So, not that this wouldn't be great on a different mani, but it did not give me the effect I wanted here. So I'm glad I went back in and stamped over it with the white again, and decided to make that my index or my ring finger, my accent finger. So I am going to go in and layer some more colors over there to kind of cover up that starfish color because it looked muddy and dull. And the other colors were just so vibrant that I couldn't take it. So I covered it up. And that's where I'm going to go in with that Beauty Big Bang plate and stamp the couple under the umbrella on it. It is just such a sweet romantic notion, two people walking down a rainy street. It kind of looks like he does a lot of paintings in the park, and so they're kind of just walking through a path in the park in the rain, and they stop to kiss on an umbrella. It's very romantic. I like it. really and truthfully, you need to look his art up. I'm going to link him below. I'm going to link his actual YouTube channel and his website where you can purchase his art. It's really not that expensive, y'all. I mean, I think I got mine for about 150 bucks each, which I know is a lot of money. Don't get me wrong. It may not be a lot of money for you. For me, it is a lot of money, but I looked at them every single day for over a month and went, all right, I can't take it. I have to have one of these in my house. And they are my favorite by far of any home decor I've ever purchased. So this is where I went in with that white to kind of cover everything back up. And I went ahead and stamped the couple on that nail. And I'm freezing that for you because I know I was out of frame a little bit um, a few times during this, which really irritated me when I went back and looked at the video. So there are the couple stamped down. And I had to take the umbrella off. That stamp was too big for my nail. It wouldn't fit. But for me, this is good enough to say, hey, I made art like his. And I absolutely loved how this came out. Here's the pieces again, just to kind of give you a reminder of what I did, or what I was using to compare it to. I hope you like this. Please subscribe, give me a like, and share.